Yes, welcome back. And please switch on your videos, everybody. Yes, then now we'll discuss next. We're going to discuss what is the importance of vocabulary. So vocabulary means the what you can call the ability to use words depending upon the situation. Okay, for example, my mother tongue make a word తెలుసు కానీ ఆ వర్డ్ ఒక what is that word in English? ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఏమంటారు అని మనకి సడన్గా రాదు. So what are the areas of vocabulary? I'll tell you. Okay, I'm not going to give you. I have a lot of collection with me, and I will tell you from where you can collect it. That will be from the fourth class. Today, second class, and tomorrow the demo will be completing. So after that, if you want to continue from fourth class on fourth day onwards, you can discuss, you can decide, and you can tell me, and we will continue. You can take duration. Is it 30 days? Is it 45 days? Is it 50 days? But I'm sure I guarantee you that after this, after attending, suppose I'm not telling that you will become very fluent, or you will become superhuman in this English, but what's your standard before attending the class? After the 30 days or after 45 days, 50 days class, there will be a lot of changes, and your parents, your friends and teachers can identify that yes, a lot of changes have happened. You'll be speaking good English. You will become more confident. That's our thing. And based on whatever I taught you in this class, you can add, you can do. Yes, that kind of training I'll be giving. Okay, right. You can learn yourself. Okay, మీకు మీరే నేర్చుకుంటారు ఆ స్థాయి ఆ ఒక బేసిక్స్. సపోజ్ యూ సీ వెన్ యూ construct a building, apartment, something, what do you do first? Will you clear the ground and immediately start constructing? What do you do? Tell me, anybody. You want to construct a five-floor, five-storied building. What is the first work? Tell me, anybody. Simple. Yes. Sudhir, your voice is not clear. Please tell me. You told something.
Sir, planning.
Planning. After planning. Yes.
Sketch.
Sketch. Everything completed. We want to start the work. So we go for foundation. ఫౌండేషన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు? ఫస్ట్ అన్ని కెలికి వదిలిపెడతారు కదా, మొత్తం డిగ్గింగ్ చేసి ఎస్ మొత్తం గ్రౌండ్ అంతా ఇది చేసి దట్ ఈస్ వర్క్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ నౌ. ఇప్పుడు ఆ టైం మీకు టెన్షన్ వస్తుంది, అయ్యో నేను ఇంతకుముందు నేర్చుకుని అన్ని తప్పు అంటున్నారు చేస్తారు, ఇదన్నీ ఏంటి తప్పు నేర్పించుంటారు. maximum 90% you learn the mistakes only, errors only. Another thing is nobody told you that you are running wrong, or you might have learned, so nobody corrected you. That's the thing. So here in this part, what happens? We will be digging completely. After that, what happens? We will make a good basics. You might have seen, yes, they keep the metals, everything, all the things, yes, they make basics. So the basic is strong. What happens? We can construct number of floors, number of stories, yes, we can construct. Suppose there is no base, no foundation, what will happen? The building will collapse. Yes, మీరు ఎన్నిసార్లు ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్ ఉండదు, ఓన్లీ గ్రౌండ్ ఫ్లోర్ విల్ బి దేర్, and you can make only first floor. After that, they will come and test, okay, this building doesn't have proper foundation, please don't construct not more than one floor. అక్కడికి ఆపాల్సి వస్తుంది. So in this also here, what happens? The basic I will give you complete basic. When strong foundation I'll give, then within this 30 days or 40 days, 45 days, 50 days course, whatever you select, after completion of this base foundation, what you can do, you can learn whatever you want based on the foundation. Okay, strong foundation will be laid. Nobody can remove it. It will not go. Right? Yes. So may I discuss what is the vocabulary part? Yes. So vocabulary part, what you have to learn mainly, there are many actually, but some I'll tell you. Number one is one here, it is scenery. For example, మనం ఏమేమి చూస్తాం అన్ని మనం మాట్లాడగలగాలి. Scenery. Under scenery, I'll tell you one example. Say, for example, Clouds. Cloud is a part of scenery, is it? Air is part of scenery. Tree is a part of scenery. A tree also, in tree, many trees are there. Varieties are there. Birds, number of birds. Yes, the names of birds you have to learn. Name of birds you have to learn. You have to learn flowers. Name of flowers. I'll teach you. I have materials. I'll supply you. Flowers and occupation. What are occupations of different people? For example, you know, doctor, engineer, nurse, something. Some of the occupation we don't know. We know in Telugu, but we don't know in English. Yes, that we will be teaching. Next, name of fish. Different fish are there. Okay, name of animals will be taught. Name of planets will be taught. Yes. And occupation, another some diseases. Now we know mainly one disease, that is corona. Is it corona or corona? It is corona. It is corona. Yes. Parts of the body. Parts of the body. You may think it is very easy or not. It's very difficult actually. Parts of the body. Yes. So which is forearm, which is wrist. Yes. What is ankle? Yes, this all you have to do. Yes. Many are there. Okay. Cheek, temple. Yes. Many are there. Forehead. Many people. So when we speak, these all will be useful for us. Okay. Suppose suddenly when we're speaking, we don't know the word, what happens? We'll be stuck there. So minimum vocabulary out to, but this also will be given to you training. Okay. In that training, it is also will be included. Diseases, parts of human bodies, animals, birds will be given. Flowers are included. Occupation are included. Next, fruits, trees, vegetables. Yes. Can we have some activity? 5 minutes, and we'll stop. Only what do you call vocabulary. Vegetables. Can we take vegetables? Yes. Mullangi. Mullangi. English.
Radish.
Very good. Radish. Chilakada dumba.
Potato.
Sweet potato. Yes. Very good. Like this, many are there. Next, pachimirchi. Very easy only.
Green chili.
Green chili.
Green chili.
Okay, right. Next, ullipayalu.
Onions.
Onions. Yes. Palakura.
Spinach.
Okay. Actually, that word is pronounced as a spinach. Spinach. We mispronounced. That will come under. We'll come under pronunciation. Okay, that we'll discuss. That's advanced level. It is pronounced as a spinach. Spinach. Yes. Not spinach. Yes. So it may be, you may feel that it's very strange. It's strange only. It's strange. Yes. So many people speak it is pronounced as a spinach. We pronounce it as spinach. So we're different. Yes. Potato we spoke. Yes. Yes. Next, mendikura ఏమంటారు? Mendikura. Mendikura. It's one of the ఆకుకూరలు ఉన్నాయి కదా, Mendikura. Mendikura. Come on.
Fenugreek.
Fenugreek. Another word. Very good. Fenugreek. Another word. Any more? One more word is for. It is called dill greens. Dill greens. Okay. Pudina. Pudina ఏమంటారు?
Mint.
Mint. Very good. Yes. Next, gongura. గోంగూర అవన్నీ తింటాం కానీ మనకు తెలియదు కదా ఇంగ్లీష్లో. Okay, right. We eat, but we don't. No problem. Yes, doesn't matter. That's the checking only. Yes, that I'm giving an idea. What are the things? What are the in our training? What things will be included? Yes. We can say sorrel. దానిలో కూడా red sorrel is there. Red sorrel means erra gongura. Two types are there. Erra gongura, tella gongura. Yes. Okay. Right. Next, what do you call? Chamadumba. Chamadumba.
Colocasia.
Kolakesh you can say, another you can say Arum also. Arum also you can say Arum, otherwise Arum Kolakesh you can say. Next, what they call Pachi Artikaya. Artipandu means banana. Everybody knows, but Pachi Artikaya. Yes. Anybody can tell. Green plantain. Green plantain. Green plantain we call. Yes. Chikkudkaya ఏమంటారు చిక్కుడుకాయ చిక్కుడుకాయ
బీన్స్
బీన్స్ అదే గోరు చిక్కుడుకాయ అయితే రెండు రకాలు ఉన్నాయి కదా గోరు చిక్కులు అంటారు గోరు చిక్కులకి ఏమంటారు ప్లీజ్ ఎనీబడి క్లస్టర్ బీన్స్ ఇట్స్ కాల్డ్ క్లస్టర్ బీన్స్ ఓకే yes పొట్లకాయ ఏమంటారు పొట్లకాయ పొట్లకాయ
స్నేక్ గార్డ్
స్నేక్ గార్డ్
Snake gourd.
ఆమ్లా ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి స్నేక్ గార్డ్ స్నేక్ గార్డ్ ఎస్ బూడిద గుమ్మడికాయ బూడిద గుమ్మడికాయ
పంకిన్
no it has some special, it's also pumpkin only but special name is there.
wax gourd
It is called ash gourd. Okay, so like this many things we learn okay, many things are there. These all will be just you know some of them, some of the you don't know. These all will be rearranged in your brain, and whenever you want you can use it without the mistakes. Okay, pronunciation pronunciation also I'll show you one example, then we'll stop. Okay. For example, yes, how do you pronounce this word? How do you pronounce this word? Okay.
tortoise
Okay.
tortoise
It is pronounced as a
Tortoise.
tortoise. So pronunciation we can learn many methods are there. I'll teach you one or two methods and you can use what is easy for you. Okay. There is a process that learning phonetic symbols and I'll teach you that one. Okay, don't worry. So tortoise, how to identify? It is a pronunciation is one of the most important thing when you speak also. You have good spoken but you don't know how to speak properly. Your pronunciation is wrong. You are mispronouncing the things. We call the two things. One is pronunciation, another is mispronunciation. Means correct ga palakattam, tappu palakattam. So for example, if you say this one as a this, for example, one word is there. Usually when we pronounce it world, it is called, it is world. It is world. Yes. Yes. How do you pronounce this word? Work. So how to identify? There's a technique. There are some techniques are there. We can learn any word, any new. For example, today while reading newspaper or any paragraph, you got a new word, one word or two words. You want to identify immediately. There are some equipments are there nowadays, tools are there. But nobody is there to help you. How to identify? For you don't have mobile phones, only have some dictionaries or something, you can identify. Okay, nowadays if you want, you can, Google will give you, but always you cannot depend on Google. Suppose you don't have a mobile phone, you can identify. There are some techniques are there. The technique also I'll teach you. Yes, then you can improve your pronunciation as well. Yes. So how do you one more word I'll give you, then we'll stop here. Yes. Yes. Please try to pronounce it. Please. Anybody can. Yes.
campaign
Yes, campaign. It's a very simple word, campaign. Is it? Yes. So many are there. These I gave you simple words only. I didn't give you any tough words. There are many tough words are there that we'll be discussing later. So vocabulary, pronunciation, general vocabulary, specific vocabulary, and phrasal verbs also. You know, phrasal verbs are there. Then these all, and how to frame sentences. These all will be part of our training itself. Also narrations. For example, I ask you, okay, please narrate what happened in the class yesterday, or what did you do from morning till evening. This is called narrations. This part also we'll discuss in the class. How to narrate, how to write a diary. Okay, not an exam you have written diary, that's not the term. I mean, how to narrate it, how to narrate past, how to narrate future, how to narrate regular actions, how to introduce yourself. Suppose somebody gave you mic on stage and asked you, okay, please narrate yourself for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes, you must have stuff to speak about you. So there's a technique how to start, how to go on, how to end it. These all will be given part of training. This all the training will be given in this coaching. Okay, you may think, okay, all these are we may, but only superficially it was taught in schools and colleges. Here we'll go very deep and specifically from beginning to end we'll be giving you. So good foundation will be laid. Okay, right. So anything you want to speak can speak. Anybody? Yes, I'll give you another 2 minutes time for you to speak now. Yes. We are going to end the class now. Yes. Vinil, about feedback. Yesterday I gave you a chance to give feedback in the group. Nobody gave actually. Today you have to do. Okay. Today everybody, those who attended, you have to give audio. Audio you can give. You just record an audio in English and give. It is also a good communication skills. Okay. Today's class, about today's class. Now you will give the feedback one by one. Vinil will start. And after the class, what will you do? You will give send an audio clip in the group about today's class, whatever you learned yesterday and today also. Yes, how you are benefited, your feedback. Just 2 minutes. Now Vinil will start. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
So today in the class, I understand some of the mistakes which was done, which was given in yesterday's work, and I also learned the 4 sentences framing. Which are the structures, which are the completed actions in the which is the completed actions in the past, which are incomplete actions in the past, and asking a question in the past positively and asking a question negatively. And I was so much of interested and excited in the vocabulary vocabulary section, sir.
Very good.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, very good. Next, Sudhir will start. Sudhir, continue.
Today's class is so good, and our sir about the past actions and past actions. I understand and I can identify the difference between what we have learned in our school days and what we are learning here. So this session is very helpful to me, I can say.
Very good.
I need to improve my basic English. This session is a need to me.
Very good. Yes. Thank you. Next.
Thank you.
Yes. Nikhila will speak. Nikhila, please speak.
Sir, I feel really very satisfied in today's class.
Okay.
I have learned many things
Yes.
that which I have don't know before.
Yeah, very good. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir.
So like this, as Nikhila said, you'll be learning new things. Every day you'll learn new things only. Every day you'll feel that this is the first class, but you will be learning new things. You will never get boring in my class. Okay. So such activities will be there. Now it's only
exactly, sir. This is not boring at all.
You will not get boring. See, in such way I have designed. We'll be teaching you few things, very less things, but effective things that you have never learned. And also, even if it learned also, known one also, you will be learning a new way, mistakes and all you will be correcting. That opportunity you will get this class, as Nikhila said. Yes, Rashmika will come. Yes, Rashmika.
I have learned many things in this session, sir. Like pronunciation. Thank you.
Okay, right. Like somebody joined, I think 18211. Somebody newly joined, I think. Please, you can introduce yourself, please. I don't know who it is. Maybe new person to the class. 18211. Yes, some device number is given there. You can introduce yourself, and we are going to wind up the class today. And most probably tomorrow is the 3rd day of demo class. Okay, 3rd day. So you might have understood what are things I'm teaching. First thing is how to construct sentences according to situation. Second is vocabulary part. Third, pronunciation. Fourth, how to narrate, and written notes will go. How to write letters, how to communicate. Written communication also will be discussing, and many more things. There is no particular list actually. This is mainly how to construct sentences properly, how not to make mistakes. But existing mistakes also will be erased off, and you will make it very clear actually. Yes. So here I think the person is unable to hear. Yes. So thank you everybody, and I want all these people immediately after the class, within 5 minutes, please take 5 minutes time and record audio or video also, no problem. It's up to you. Okay, if you want to perform well, you make it video. Just 2 minutes, minimum 2 to 3 minutes. Today's class, you keep there, and you are all familiar with it. You just tell, oh, today I attended the classes. Yesterday also attended. Yesterday, what you learned, what is the experience mainly? Experience. What is the new experience you got in this class? Today's class, two days class, what you got, or 1 day class also. I suggest you first preference is video, one small video. Okay, duration doesn't matter. If you speak 10 minutes also, it's okay, well and good. Okay, second thing is orals, audio you can. Okay, yes, written message we don't want. So oral, why we want to improve our oral communications, and we have to get rid of our inhibitions. No shyness, nothing is there. Okay, no hesitations. Yes, how we are going to give the video. I think almost everybody is going to give video only. Very good. Yes, make a video, beautiful video. Introduce yourself and tell your experience of these 2 days class, yesterday's and today's, or one class also. Yes. So thank you, and I'll be coming to you
Sir?
tomorrow same time.
Sir?
Yes, please, Nikhila, please tell me.
So can I send you personally?
It's up to you, no problem. But if you share in the group, you know what happens. Many people will analyze, and you will get an opportunity to that everybody will listen to you. It's better, I think. If you do not want, you can send to me personally, no problem. But my preference is, what I suggest is send in the group. Many will be inspired. They will be getting inspiration from you. So we must inspire many people. So we are getting an opportunity, you know. So many, some around 100 members are in our group. Many will be inspired. They will get inspiration from you. So you can become a person to inspire others. Yes. Okay. So try to send in a group. If not, you can send to me personally also. So thank you very much, and we'll meet again in the tomorrow's class. Bye. Bye. See
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.